Last week, markets continued to process a highly complex outlook, following weaker economic data and the enactment of new tariffs, alongside a quite robust corporate earnings season. This week, the outlook will get a significant dose of clarity with the release of the July Consumer Price Index report on Tuesday. The Fed wants to cut rates, and the market expects them to, yet inflation is still above target. Forecasters expect inflation to move even higher in next week's report, with the core measure, ex-food and energy, projected to rise to 3.0%. This dynamic is already awkward given markets' current high conviction in expecting multiple rate cuts starting next month, so any upside surprise could inject significant market volatility. On Thursday, we'll see another inflation report, the Producer Price Index, that measures businesses' intermediate and input costs and could reflect some tariff effects. Forecasters expect this series to move higher as well. On Friday, the monthly retail sales report will offer some insight into household spending behavior in July. With the recent jobs data showing notable weakness in the labor market, markets will be waiting to see if there's any spending data that show corresponding softness in consumer demand. Lastly, markets will be attuned to ongoing geopolitical developments, particularly as the White House signaled last week that it's considering using additional measures in its negotiations with China and Russia. So, things to watch in this busy week ahead: 1. Consumer price inflation, 2. Producer price inflation, 3. Retail sales, and 4. Geopolitical developments.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth FCW is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.